1977 Lincoln Cent. Welcome back, coin collectors and history lovers. Today, we are diving into the 1977 Lincoln Cent, a coin that may look common, but can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars in rare cases. Stick around as we explore its history, design, rarity, auction prices, and how to sell it for the best price. History of the 1977 Lincoln Cent. The Lincoln Cent series began in 1909, replacing the Indian head cent to commemorate the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Designed by Victor David Brenner, this coin remains one of the longest-running coin designs in U.S. history. By 1977, the composition of the cent was still 95% copper and 5% zinc, but inflation was making production more expensive. Just a few years later, in 1982, the U.S. Mint would switch to a zinc core with a copper coating to save costs. The 1977 Lincoln Cent was minted at 3 locations: Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, for $1,469,930,000. Minted Denver Mint, DE mint mark, for $1,149,062,300. Minted San Francisco Mint, S. mint mark proof coins only, $3,251,152. Minted. While most of these coins are common, high-grade examples, rare varieties, and error coins can be extremely valuable. Design of the 1977 Lincoln Cent. The 1977 Lincoln Cent maintains the classic design introduced in 1909. Obverse, front side, features a right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln designed by Victor David Brenner. The inscriptions include, "In God We Trust." At the top, Liberty; to the left, the year 1977. To the right, mint mark, D for Denver or no mint mark for Philadelphia, below the year. Reverse, back side, displays the Lincoln Memorial, which was introduced on the cent in 1959 to replace the original wheat ears design. The inscriptions include, "United States of America." At the top, "E pluribus unum." Below it, 1 cent. At the bottom, if you look closely, you can even see a tiny statue of Lincoln inside the memorial. Rarity and value of the 1977 Lincoln Cent. The value of a 1977 Lincoln Cent depends on its condition, grade, and whether it has a rare error or variety. Circulated condition, worn coins, face value, $0.01. Slightly better condition, 5 cents, $0.25. Billions of these coins were made. Circulated examples are not worth much unless they have an error. Uncirculated condition, mint state grades, MS60 to MS64, $1, $3 MS65. Nice luster, few marks, $5, $10 MS66, well struck, highly collectible, $20, $50 MS67, near perfect example, very rare, $500, $1. 500 plus auction highlight. A 1977 Lincoln Cent graded MS67 by PCGS sold for over $1,200. 1977 S-proof Lincoln Cent, San Francisco Mint, PR65 to PR68 deep cameo, common grades $5, $20. PR69 deep cameo, near perfect proof $30, $50. PR70 deep cameo, perfect condition, extremely rare $300, 500 plus auction highlight. A 1977 S-proof Lincoln Cent graded PR70 deep cameo sold for over $500. Rare errors and varieties of the 1977 Lincoln Cent. Certain error coins can make a 1977 Lincoln Cent extremely valuable. Here are the top varieties to look for. 1. 1977 Double Die Obverse DDO. This variety features doubling in the inscriptions, especially Liberty, and the date. It is one of the most valuable errors for this year. Value, $50 to $1,000 plus, depending on grade. Point 2. 1977 Off-Center Strike. If a cent is struck off-center, The value depends on how much of the design is missing. A 10% off-center strike might be worth $50 to $100, while a 50% off-center error could sell for $500 plus. 3. 1977 broad strike error. A coin struck without the rim due to a misalignment during striking. These errors can be worth $50 to $300, depending on condition. Point 4. 1977 Lincoln cent struck on a dime planchet. Some cents were mistakenly struck on a dime planchet, making them smaller and silver-colored. These errors can be worth $500. $3,000. 5. 1977 Lincoln cent struck on a foreign planchet. Some cents were struck on planchets meant for foreign coins, making them lighter or heavier than usual. If you find one with an unusual weight, it could be worth thousands. If you think you have a rare variety or error, getting it certified by PCGS or NGC is the best way to determine its true value. How to sell a 1977 Lincoln cent. If you have a 1977 Lincoln cent and want to sell it, follow these steps. Check its condition. Coins in MS67 or higher are much more valuable. Look for rare errors, double dies, off-center strikes, and wrong planchets can be worth big money. Get it graded if you have a high grade or rare variety. Getting it certified by PCGS or NGC will increase its value. Sell online. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and Great Collections are great for selling collectible coins. Visit a local coin dealer or show. You can also sell to local coin shops or attend coin shows for potential buyers. Final thoughts. The 1977 Lincoln cent is a fascinating coin with a rich history. While most are only worth face value, certain high-grade specimens and rare errors can be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you have one, check its condition, look for rare varieties, and consider getting it graded. You might be holding onto a hidden treasure.